Hi everyone, I'm Celine, a community coordinator here at List Perfectly, and today I'm sharing an exclusive feature you may not know about. Did you know you can create custom titles for different platforms when you cross-post with List Perfectly? That's right, you can write different titles for different platforms with List Perfectly. Here's how it works. Sign up for our Business or Pro plan. Add or import your product to your LP catalog. From the main menu, click Add Product. Begin to fill in the page just as you normally do. There will be a button that says Show All Titles. Give it a click to get started. Here you'll be able to add customized titles from Mercari and Poshmark, as well as eBay and Amazon. We recommend tailoring your titles to fit the character limits of each platform, as well as gearing them towards the different audiences. Title changes are also a great thing to try when delisting and relisting with List Perfectly, in addition to changing the order of images or reformatting your description.